Green Woodpecker song. Green woodpecker flying by, green woodpecker high in the sky, green woodpecker laying in a tree and then sang your song to me. Green woodpecker, what do you say? It's a real nice sunny day. Hey, I can hear you laugh and play. Won't you come and stay with me? I'm so thankful for what you do. You got magic inside of you. Green woodpecker, you make me see just how much my girl loves me. Just how much my girl loves me. Green woodpecker flying by, green woodpecker high in the sky, green woodpecker laying in a tree and then sing your song to me. Come and sing your song to me. Thank you.